Hello everyone, welcome back to SmartBoost Studio. In today's video, we will learn about arithmetic operators. But before, I want to give a short review about operator and operator types. Okay, so basically operators are special symbols which are used to manipulate the data. And based on its functions, operators are divided into several types. The first one is arithmetic operators, then relational operator. The third one is assignment operator, the fourth one is logical, and the last one is increment decrement operator. Now we will discuss the first class arithmetic operators in detail. So without wasting time, let's get started. As I told you, operators are special symbols used for manipulation of data or used to manipulate a data. Okay, the first class is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are those operators which perform basic mathematics. We have 5 basic arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. All of you are familiar with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, but modulus is new for you, so we will explain it in detail. For addition, we will use the symbol plus, while for subtraction we will use the sign minus. For multiplication we will use asterisk symbol, and for division forward slash. For modulus we will use the percentage sign. Now we will explain it with examples so you people can understand it clearly. For arithmetic operators we need at least 2 values. For that I will display a message to the user to enter 2 numbers. I will use Cout, then please enter 2 numbers. But before, I will also declare variable int a and int b so that the user value will be stored in the variable a and b. So Cin, then a and b. Okay, now we will perform our arithmetic operators on these 2 numbers. The first arithmetic operator is addition. For that I will use Cout, the sum is, but I will write the sum is in double quotation marks, so it will be print as it is, and after that I will display a plus b. It will simple add 2 numbers, and in the output it will shows the sum of the 2 numbers. Now we will use the second arithmetic operator, subtraction. For that I will use the same Cout. Cout, the difference is a minus b, and it will subtract the value of b from a and display the result in the output. The third arithmetic operator is multiplication. It will simply multiply the 2 numbers and will show its result. For that we will use Cout. The product is, and then we will use a multiply by b, and for multiplication we use asterisk sign. The fourth arithmetic operator is division, so we will use it in the same way. Cout, the division is, and then a divided by b. For division we use forward slash, and it will divide the value of a by b and will show the result in the output. The last arithmetic operator is modulus. For modulus we use the symbol percentage. We will also print it as Cout, the modulus is, and then a mod b. Always remember that the difference between division and modulus is that modulus will show you the remainder value after division, while the division will show you the quotient value. Now by clicking the run button you people can see that it displayed the message, please enter 2 numbers. I will enter 2 numbers. The first one is 64 and the second one is 4, and by clicking the enter button you people can see that it displayed all the output. The sum is 68, the difference is 60, the product is 256, the division is 16, and the mod is 0. So in today's video we have learned about arithmetic operators. I hope you people understood it clearly. If you have any question then ask in the comment section. and also share it with your CS, IT or software engineering friends so that people can also start it with the very beginning. Thank you.